Hey beauty! Today I'll show you 6 powerful anti-aging face masks made with fresh watermelon. They hydrate the skin, tighten pores, and bring back your youthful glow. Subscribe to the channel so you never miss natural beauty tips that really work. To prepare these masks, we'll need just one key ingredient: watermelon. Cut it into chunks. Blend until smooth. Then strain to remove the tiny seeds. And we're ready to go. First recipe: brightening and toning. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of watermelon juice, 1 teaspoon of rice flour. It gently exfoliates and evens out your skin tone. Mix well. This mask brightens the complexion and helps minimize pores. How to use: apply to your face, neck, and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then splash with cool. Apply a light moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Friends, comment below and tell us, where are you watching from? Second recipe: firming and lifting. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of watermelon juice, 1 egg white. It tightens and lifts the skin. Mix well. This mask gives you an instant lifting effect and smooth texture. How to use: apply a thin, even layer to clean skin, face, neck, and chest. Leave it on until fully dry. About 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then cool. Apply your favorite moisturizer. If you liked this recipe, like the video, comment, and share it with a friend. Third recipe: nourishing glow. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of watermelon juice, 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder, rich in antioxidants and great for glow. Mix well. This mask deeply nourishes and revives tired, dull skin. How to use: apply to your face and décolleté. Leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then cool. Gently pat dry and finish with moisturizer. Don't forget to subscribe. More glow-boosting recipes are coming soon. Fourth recipe, gentle exfoliation. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of watermelon juice, 1 teaspoon of almond flour. It softly exfoliates and smooths the skin. Mix well. This mask is perfect for sensitive skin that needs a gentle refresh. How to use: apply to your face, neck and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then splash with cool. Apply a light moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Fifth recipe, deep moisture boost. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of watermelon juice, 1 egg yolk. It's rich in nutrients and deeply hydrates the skin. Mix well. This mask restores softness and improves elasticity. How to use: apply to your face, neck and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then splash with cool. Apply a light moisturizer. Use 2 to 3 times a week. Sixth recipe, anti-aging power mask. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon of watermelon juice, 1 teaspoon of flaxseed flour, to firm and boost collagen. Add a few drops of vitamin E to protect and smooth the skin. Mix well. This mask helps reduce fine lines, tightens, and refreshes. How to use: apply evenly to face, neck and hands. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, then splash with cool. Apply a moisturizer you love. Use 2 to 3 times a week. You can alternate these masks or choose your favorite based on your skin's needs. We'll be happy to receive a super thanks if you'd like to support the channel. Thanks for watching.